So today we're looking at knutting two mini roundabouts together. So first of all, you will normally get asked to go left, so you're in the left lane here. Then once you're on the roundabout, you'll be asked to go right, third exit at the next roundabout, so that you get straight over into your right lane, as you can see here. They're very fast moving roundabouts, so as you can see here, traffic's moving over the time. A lot of people cut the roundabouts, as those last few do. Try and go round them where you can. If they're painted on, try and go round them. You have got room on these ones. So if you keep your speed nice and easy, these roundabouts aren't a problem, but do make sure you practice them on your lessons.